Megana re kauja ro kopanetse ne bone re papatsa re ipolela re bolela mahatsi jaaka re tsela.
What you are seeing here is the soul of Africa. I grew up in Africa, I was born in Africa, raised in Africa, and Africa gets into your blood. There's no way that you can ever get rid of it. You can take someone out of Africa, but you cannot take Africa out of anyone. Everybody on this planet has a yearning for something, and everybody longs for a restoration of that which we cannot define. And Africa is a place that shows a pulse which you find nowhere else in the world. Here in this often arid world, in this world of contrast, you find masses and herds of creatures that bring out something in humanity that nothing else can do. This is a lesson book of nature. The earth is a witness that God has written His character into every single animal on this planet. There is absolutely nothing that can beat an African sunset. When that sun sets and the sky is reddened and a herd of giraffe walk by with that graceful step, that speaks to the soul and tells us there's a creator God that cares about every single detail. And if He cares about every single detail, how much more so would He care about you?